Hi everyone, it's Fiona from Stampin with Fiona here. It's just going to be a really quick video today. Unfortunately, my husband's not been very well, so I haven't had time to do what I was going to do. And then my granddaughter, one of my granddaughters, is due to get her GCSE results tomorrow, so I thought, oh great, I'll do a special card for her. Then I thought, no, not going to do that. Don't want to jinx her. And as chance would have it, Mr. Brown and UPS have been today. So I thought what I'll do is I will just show you some of my new products. I was going to show that card to you, but I'll keep that for another day. So I've ordered a couple of things from the mini catalogue, some from the main, and got some more celebration things. So I just thought I would share them with you. I did get some more of this, and I did start to die cut that out. So you'll see that on Friday, because that's going to be my granddaughter's card. So, just got that cardstock out to show you some punches. Right, let's start with the mini catalogue. So, I love this index at the back. So easy to find where things are. So, I thought, I resisted it to start with, and then I got it. The Starlit Punch. I've already got the Deer Punch. I've already got the Penguin Punch. And then the Evergreen Punch is in the main catalogue, and so is the Label Me Lovely Punch. So I'm just going to do a little bit of punching, particularly with this one, the Evergreen Border Punch. I just want to show you how it works. And I want to cut some stars out for Sophie, because regardless of her results, she's a star in our eyes. I've also got these mini embossing folders, so they will go through the mini the mini cut and emboss machine, and they're called Wintry 3D, and you get 2 in there. I saw somebody post on Facebook a card they'd done a real close-up, and it just looked stunning. And again, I really hadn't even noticed it. So there's 2 in there. It's called Wintry, and that's just some leaves, if you can see that. And it's 3D, so you'll really get some good impressions with that. And then this is the one I saw. I just love it. The snowflakes, the swirls. And the card that I saw was even in fresh freesia, so not even a Christmas colour, but it just looked stunning. So I will be having a play with those, and I'll show you what I make with those. So that's just to give you a quick look at that. Then, because, oh, the other thing I got was the ombre bags, the in-colour ombre bags. And again, I'd resisted these, but I saw somebody make something on YouTube. They made a gift card holder, and I thought that's a great idea. So I didn't want to make it on, because another demonstrator had done it. But the great thing is, our cards fit in it perfectly. And I've seen on Pinterest a load of people have embossed, put tags on and everything. So again, I'm going to be doing some bits with those, so I will share those with you later. Right, let's have a go. Oh, celebrations. So because of this, spend for every £45 you spend, you can earn a free celebration product. And again, I resisted them because they're really not my cup of tea. But having seen so much stuff on social media, and they're actually quite cute. So counting sheep and matching dies, £45 spend. So that's really, for dies, that's incredible. So I'm not going to use them. Again, that's the sheep. And they're cling stamp sets, which is great because you can use your Stampin' Right markers on those. And the dies, you get 10 dies, which for 40, free is pretty amazing. So I can get them out just to show you. Okay. So you've got 1, 2, 3 sheep, which match the stamp set. You've got the hat, well that's like, yeah, you've got the hat, a balloon, some clouds, sun, flag, don't know what the flag would be for, and a gate. And 10 dies for free when you spend £45. I think that is just an amazing offer. And as I said, I have resisted them, but here they are in my stash, so that's good. But what I wanted to actually have a go at today is the Evergreen Punch. The stars, I'm going to do something for Sophie, so I'll probably do that on Friday. But I just thought I would show you very quickly how this Evergreen Border Punch works. I haven't used a border punch for ages, so bear with me. I kind of thought I'd had enough of Christmas, but here we go. Some instructions. So you slide all the way and then just move along. Right, so I've got some evening evergreen. Oh, so sorry, moved the camera, just knocked the camera. Right, okay, evening evergreen. So I'm just going to put it in. Let's see, do we line it up? Not sure if there's a line. I have it this way around. That's probably better to have it this way around. I can see what I'm punching. So I'm going to line it up with this line here. Hope you can see that. And I apologise if the camera jumps around. Just need to cut that bit off. So you've got negatives and positives, so you can, you know, get a double whammy really. And then if you wanted to do like a long DL card and do a long border, so all you do is just line it up again. And I don't know if you can see, there's actually trees on here. So what I'm going to do now is line those trees up that I've already cut. There we go, perfect. Hopefully, fingers crossed. Yep. So you just continue. That is, I just think that's stunning. And some more, and I can keep going. Just need to line them up. Oh, wrong way round. No. I've lost the will to live today, to be quite honest. Why did I do that? Oh, let's get those out of the way. There we go. I had it the wrong way round. So no, that is, oh, that's it. Line them up there. Oh no, that's going to be this side this time. So just making sure it's straight. Oh, see, I missed one that time, so I didn't line them up perfectly. But if I pop it, let's see what happens if I pop it back in. No, maybe I do it at the other end. I'm just going to cut that end. And I'm just going to show you what it would look like on the base of a card. So it's going to, I mean, I didn't need to go that far along, I just really wanted to play with it. There we go, and if I get a DL card, which I've got a couple cut already, it's not really the right colour, but see how it looks. So I'd probably stamp in the background and have some designer series paper. But there you go, you can see how great, you know, it's great, keep going, really, that's fantastic, I really like that. And these ones, if you just cut the, so that's the negative, you could probably use those as trees, not sure about that, but yeah, I really like that punch. So let's see what they had in the catalogue with that one. I might do some casing of the catalogue. It's in the Christmas section. Might be quicker to look in the front. Christmas time, page 88. Here we go. Oh, so it goes with this stamp set in a bundle, $36.75 for the stamp set and the punch. But there, you see, they've just put designer series paper. Can you see that designer series paper in the background, and then different coloured trees Yeah. Anyway, as I said, my husband's not been too well today, I'm afraid, so it's just going to be very quick showing you how to do that, and I will be back on Friday with some more in-depth stuff for you. If you would like to receive a catalogue, either the mini for Christmas or the holidays or the full one, please let me know. You can email me, fiona@stampingwithfiona.com. And if you want any of the products, any of these punches and stuff, you can always go on to my Stampin' Up shop through my website, which is www.stampingwithfiona.com. Thanks for watching. Bye.